Hello kids, welcome back to my new video. Let's learn colors name. Yellow color, red color, pink color, light green color, violet color, blue color, black color, brown color, gray color. Today we are going to learn alphabets and words. A for apple. A for apple. A P L E apple. A for apple. B for banana. B for banana. B A N A N A banana. B for banana. C for carrot. C for carrot. C A R O T carrot. C for carrot. A for apple. B for banana. C for carrot. D for door. D for door. D O R door. D for door. E for egg. E for egg. E double G egg. E for egg. E double G egg. E for egg. F for food. F for food. F double O D. F for food. F for food. F double O D food. D for door. E for egg. F for food. Let's revise. A for apple. B for banana. C for carrot. D for door. E for egg. F for food. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.